Next ride is on Infinity Falls. It's currently a 20-minute wait. Ian is sitting this one out. I am on my own for Infinity Falls. And here I go into Infinity Falls. 10-minute wait. Hello.
Adventurous than I. Doofles getting ready to ride Infinity Falls. People getting off of this thing soaked. So I'm not gonna
Listen up. You will get sick, and your personal belongings may become damaged. Thanks for your attention, and have fun out there.
Hola, científicos.
I am off on Infinity Falls here at SeaWorld Orlando. Uh-oh. Big drop on bad. You guys hope?
Yeah. Well, it's round 2. We just did it.
I'm dry so far. There's Ian up over there. I am stoked after that. As you can tell by my hair, I just got off Infinity Falls back over there. It's a fun little ride. It's nothing too crazy or too special, but it's fun. The drop in particular is really neat. The elevator is cool, but a little unnecessary. The rapids are nice. They're not too wild. I've been on wilder rapids rides before, but this ride is fun.